Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about the relativity of colors. One of the most amazing things about colors is that they are relative. I learned this from one of my professors in university. It's an optical illusion, and it can be used to our advantage to create the perception of the color we want without actually using that color. Let's first take a look at the pattern above. Squint your eyes. How do you feel about the colors of the two small squares inside the two big squares? To the casual eye, the one on the left looks bright and golden, whereas the one on the right looks a bit dull with a slight tinge of green. They seem to be two different colors. And yet, if we bring the two squares closer until they merge, we'll be surprised to find that they are actually the same color. How can this be possible? Well, that's because colors are relative. In this case, when the small square is placed against the big blue square, it looks brighter because the blue background is a bit dark. Also, because blue is a cold hue, it makes the small square look warmer, more vibrant, and more saturated. On the other hand, when we place the small square against the very vibrant yellow background, it looks a bit muted with a tinge of green and gray. This is all because of relativity. If we experiment a bit, we can also find a color that makes both small squares look roughly the same to the eyes. We can find many more such examples. In this one, the small square on the left looks brighter and more vibrant than the one on the right, while they are actually the same color. And in this example, the small square on the left looks brighter than the one on the right. So now we know that colors are relative. We can leverage this to create amazing palettes, which I'll talk about in detail in my Skillshare course, Demystifying Vintage Color Palettes. In that course, we'll review the basics such as the color wheel and color harmonies. Then I will talk about some traits that vintage color palettes share and the general principles to follow in order to create them. I will also talk about using the relativity of colors to create the feeling of the color you want in a more nuanced way. If you are a designer or illustrator who want to take your color skill to the next level, be sure to check out the course using the link on the upper right corner or in the description. Sign up using the link and you'll get 1 free month of Skillshare. Do you find this video helpful? If so, please like it or share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.